Let's unpack the Metra radio install kits with me. This 99-7013 TB kit is designed to fit Mitsubishi Outlander 2007 to 2013. This stereo installation kit has been engineered very well. It allows you to install either a single DIN or a double DIN aftermarket radio into the original vehicle dashboard. The dash kit is textured and painted scratch-resistant matte black. It matches the original look and feel of the vehicle's dashboard. This is the single DIN trim plate, and the double DIN trim plate is attached to the dash kit. This dash kit makes radio replacement easy and simple. It comes with a pocket that is installed below the single DIN radio to fill the extra space in the radio opening, which can be used for storage. Oh, it's scratched. It's okay, I'm not using it anyway. This pocket is not needed because I'm installing a double DIN radio. It also comes with mounting brackets. This pairs for a double DIN aftermarket radio. And this pairs for a single DIN aftermarket radio. I'm sure these simple install kits will make your installation easy. Detailed installation instruction is provided. It's simple and easy to follow. And here's the Metra 70-7005 radio wiring harness. It's designed to retain the factory harness when installing an aftermarket radio. No wire cutting is required. The only downside of this is that the steering wheel remote control wires are missing. Installing an aftermarket radio can upgrade the sound quality and provide additional features the original factory radio could offer, but it requires this dash kit to make it fit. Please subscribe, give me a thumb, and stay tuned for my installation video.